Me don't know what them a pre-bout. Akeynote, can't press me like remote. Them say them a clean, but I like that. Me a step up in a left, them I like that. Me a burn them out like newspaper. Put a fire upon a hater. After me try so hard, then want me feel, want me pop down and lose my faith. Them no want hear me mother drink sorry. Every day.
Well. It's windy, right? Yeah, let's stay inside. Yeah, but that's outside though. Alright guys. So blessed love. It's a bit windy today. Windy. So today's the day we're heading to the CN Tower. So we're going to the CN Tower today. So finally I'm here at the train station, the Bramley train station. We're gonna take the GO train, which is the green line, and that's gonna take me to Union. You know, so this is Aunt's first time ever taking the train as well too. So it's gonna be an experience for her heading to there as well too. So the train is not here till about next 20 minutes. It comes at 2 o'clock. Yeah, so we got a time to wait, but not so long. Next 20 minutes I'll be good to go. So I'm just gonna wait. So I'm here at the train station. So over there you have the Bramley sign. You got the Bramley sign over there. So yeah, I'll be good to go. So I'm gonna have that experience with the CN Tower. You know, them say that's the tallest tower in the world. Right? I don't know what you think, guys. So let me know if that's really the tallest tower. Because and the Empire State Building is what the tallest building. So tower and building, two different. Right? So they say it's glass floor. So when you're all the way on the top, you can literally look all the way down because it's glass floor. So I'm gonna see that experience today. Get that thrilling feeling, that thrilling vibes of what it's like. So waiting on my train, guys. So catch you in a bit. Stop on bottom. This is a double-decker train. On the journey now we're heading to Union Station, and then from there we'll make our way to the CN Tower.
We want everyone to have an enjoyable and comfortable journey. If you come across anything that needs our attention during your trip, such as issues with heating, air conditioning, lighting, or washrooms, please notify a crew member. You can also share feedback about your onboard experience online at gotransit.com under the Contact Us section, where you'll find forms to submit your comments. Your input helps us maintain a pleasant environment for all passengers. Alert. This train is now out of service. Anyone still on board must exit immediately. Doors will be closing momentarily. This train is now out of service.
Pour votre sécurité, cette personne qui vous entoure est parmi le quai de la ligne jaune du quai. Prenez votre sac à dos.
This here. So we get off the train. Yeah, Union now. Literally got off the train and we can see the tower. There is the tower. That's where we're going. Look how far that up is. Look how far that is. Way up. Look, so that's where we're heading. So that's where we're heading. So imagine there's a lift gonna bring us all the way up there. That is something to reckon with. How many floors is that? That's a lot of floors. There's a lot of floor. So why I'm here? Here is one, but trust me, it's like my heart and my mind is somewhere else. So, you know, when I say somewhere else, it's back home. So I'm definitely here trying to have a blast, but it's really, really hard to do so when you know what's going on back home. You know, so I'm just here trying to run this time off and then get back home to where the other work is really gonna get done. You know, so here, what is this place? You know, sometimes you can't even question, because imagine, my ticket booked literally way before anything goes down. You understand? And it's only probably in the last week, the last couple of days in the week, like people start to talk about the storm even more. You know, so as soon as I got here and then everything take place, it's like it's been so much, you know, to know what's taking place at home and you're so far away. So every day jokes my skin, like literally I just want to jump on the plane and go back home to give my helping hand. You know, when you see that so much damaged areas, you know, very devastated that's going on down there. It's really heartfelt, like literally my eyes full, you know, to see what's going on. I'm telling you, really, really full. But you're so far away. But everything happens sometime in life where you can't even question it, because there must be some reason why I'm here. So while I'm here, you know, made some contact with some people that really want to send back some stuff, you know, and try to help out back out Jamaica. So that's also a good thing as well too. So we're gonna get some stuff sent off, you know, and I know what from them place is gonna really, it's probably gonna take a while as well too, you know. So a GoFundMe, you know, because I really want to like literally focus on getting some materials and getting all materials and them stuff that to try to help out, like say building back some roofs, and you know, a lot of house even literally came down as well too. So I want to try our best to see what we can do, because help is really, really needed out there. Trust me, it's really, really needed. Because we're in this city right here, but our country it's not as this right now. You know, so me here seeing this is like I'm not so excited, you know, anymore. You know that home is not how I left it. You know, it's literally not how I left it. So hopefully, you know, in the future when I revisit back Canada, then I can literally try to enjoy it. But for now, it's really, really hard for me to do so. But I try my best, you know, to put on a show to enjoy myself, you know. But I'm not going to tell you say it's easy doing so while I'm here, when everything taken back like that. I even also got family back in Westmoreland, even them as well, you know. lost their homes as well. So there's a lot of damage literally going on down here, see, so you might see the outside of the inside. Literally something else going on with me. So just keep praying for my country. I know the look of it when I get back. It's gonna be so shocking because I'm saying video is just one thing, but when you see with your own eyes, alright guys. Whoa, so this is the big aquarium. So this is the aquarium right here as well too. The Ripley's Aquarium of Canada. So you know in there the water world where everything take place. And here I'm at the CN Tower. I can't even look up the way you have to be looking. Oh my days. That is a look and more. That is a look plus more. Wow. So you have the Raja Center over there. CN Tower. God damn. The same thing. This is where I'm going to get the lift to go up the terrace.
27 to 28.
Yay! Wait, in the lift. You're going to fit in that right now. Let me see. Oh my God, I can't see.
Alright, welcome everyone to CN Tower. Derrière information français là-bas. This is the northern side of the city here. You can also look down between your feet into the elevator shaft. We're going 22 kilometers an hour, 15 miles per hour. We're headed to the 114th floor, or 346 meters, and we'll be there in 58 seconds total.
Wow.
So beautiful.
Second time I hear you say,
Wow. The view, the view, the view. Down, down, down.
Alright everyone, watch your step on the way out here. just around the corner this way.
Wow. And this yeah. Guys, look at this view. Oh my. So here's the glass floor. I'm literally seeing all the way down. Look. It's all the way down to the ground, if you can see. Woo. Walking on height. I think I'm gonna go one floor down, just get the glass floor more clear. elevator to down your glass you can walk here, right? Yeah, you can walk here. So I'm gonna walk one floor down. Listen. So this is one floor down. Now you can see.
Es que yo la quiero desde aquí. O sea, literal desde acá. Hijo, mira papá, mira papá. Hijo, Samuel, mira papá. Mírame.
नहीं बैठ जाए गलती फिर मुझे बुलाना है फिर तो होना होगा मेरा रखो
Imagine, oh my days, this feels so real.
pretty nice, but they're very introverted. Screaming like we had a cat.
Oh my days. One drop, you don't want to drop here at
Keep it to themselves. You talk shit behind your back, not in front of your face. They try to
guys, they don't want to drop. Them glass must be strong, can sustain all different weight. Watch me go on. Lie down in my bed.
I don't think so. I've never heard about it before. Otherwise, I would have been in Japan right now.
I mean, the only thing is like,
I want to go back
Welcome to outdoor terrace. So guys, this is the outdoor terrace. Let me see what the outdoors bring. You can feel it. The cool breeze coming in from here. Look at the city. Well, nah lie, this is an experience coming to this place, you know. It's a nice view from the top. Very nice view. So if I had to compare it and the Empire State Building and this, they're two different, you know. It's two different. But it's a nice view from here, and plus you got the glass floor. As you see, I was showing you. You can literally look down, all the way down to the floor. You know, so that's a long drop for you to drop. Very long, guys. Not like, the sun is coming in this way. So, you know, most of the views they look dark because they cannot look outwards too much because the sunlight is coming in. So I'm getting these reflection from the glass because the sun is coming in. And where the sun is coming from, that's where the best view is as well. Yeah, that's where the best view. But it's good to get this experience, you know. I'm here touring, but still I'm Jamaica Maureen. Yeah, of course we are. Still worry about Jamaica. So this is a place where tourists come often. Just flocks the place. Good view. Alright guys, well. So that was a wonderful experience. Trust me, it was beautiful. It was beautiful. No, I really enjoyed myself. Trust me. So I will tell you about Martin. You know, Martin and Deborah. So Martin is gonna come meet me down here. I'm gonna also head to a basketball game. You know, so that's where we're gonna head to go first and experience a basketball game over here at the arena. You know, so I literally sit there and wait for him to come by. You know the thing goes. So yes, so imagine that everything's happening in ones and twos and threes. You know, so try my best. You know, to try to stay upbeat because trust me, Jamaica is breaking my heart very much. So blessed love, guys. Blessed love.
Gorda, cada kilo poderoso tiene razón de ser. Gorda que paso
Right there? Toronto Raptors.
We'll come out at half-time. We'll come back out at half-time.
It's alright. Right in time.
Yeah. Keep off, just have that.
On TV, the court actually look bigger.
Yeah, it does, yeah. Even
Actually look bigger on TV. Yeah.
Drake comes.
Yeah.
Drake is an ambassador for the Raptors. When he's here, he sits here and runs for those two guys.
White.
Yeah.
So it's coming here?
Tonight. So maybe because the 2 seats that are open there.
Yeah, that's it.
Because if you go underneath there, there's a restaurant where they eat and stuff, and then they come out after.
Okay.
So you might be here. Number 34 is one of the best in the league.
Right now.
Green?
Yeah.
Our team is a white.
Yeah.
And then Atetakumpo, number 34, one of the best in the league.
So what about LeBron?
LeBron on the Lakers. LeBron is 41 now, so he's getting up there.
Curry, LeBron here?
Yeah. Right? Reggie's a younger boy, right?
Yeah.
Curry is 36 now.
Yeah.
So he's him and LeBron are getting over the hill.
Yeah.
This guy number 9 here, he used to play with his father.
So Barrett. Yeah.
Yes, sir.
So where they in the from here?
No, it's until you go up beside them. See number 3?
Yeah.
7 foot.
Martin and Deborah will sell the shoes for the team. Remember them time? Martin and Deborah, you know. So it's half time at the game, so they are going to chill outside, you know, just excited. You see this basketball game on TV, but here it's more exciting than watching it on TV. I didn't know where to go. Yeah. I did that. So you stopped. morning, good morning, good morning. Guys, look what I wake up and see what's going on. Snowing, snowing, snowing. Snow. I guess I never saw this coming. Snowing outside, guys. It's snowing. Wow. This early already. We're only still in November. Imagine that. I never hear anyone speaking about this. So we're gonna get snow at this. No one. No one. I think it was next. Was it next Sunday? They were saying. But look, the snow is here. Let it snow, let it snow, let it snow. Let it snow, let it snow, let it snow. So I got the Canada snow, guys. Imagine that. Imagine waking up and seeing this. Look at the sky. White. Everything is just white. White. And it's coming down even more. Wow, look at that. This is a snowstorm. Holy moly. Let it snow, let it snow, let it snow. Well, I never really think it would have started snow so soon, you know. Well, but this is Canada, they said, you know. Canada is where all the weather come from. It's snowing here in Brampton. Good morning, good morning. I said love, guys. So I'm gonna take my walk in the snow. I guess when it snows it's not so cold, it's when it start to melt. That's when the snow is really bad. Alright guys, so you know the thing though. Canada. This is what your weather is like. Guys, this is what the weather is like right now in Canada. It's white. This is where you have to mind your step. So I decided to step outside to show you guys what I got. Whoops. White Christmas is blowing my eyes as well. It's a white Christmas, guys. So I imagine it's not even Christmas yet, and the place is like this. Woo! See it there. I imagine you never ever get any warning say it's gonna be snowing or anything at all. So see the man over there scraping the snow off his vehicle because I guess he's gonna drive out. Good day, sir. Good day.
Welcome, welcome. This is the weather.
This is the weather.
You do not seem quite well dressed on your lower half, though.
No, I am good. I got on layers.
Oh, okay.
I got on more than one layers.
Okay, good for you.
So I'm well padded.
All right, easy.
Yeah. Him said I look dressed at the top half where I don't look warm at the bottom of my. Trust me, guys. These weathers, I put on more than one layers. I'm not gonna come out to no 1 layer and a 2 layer and a 3 layer. I'm just giving you guys some hint. 4, 5, you know, you stay there. Even the top off, I got layers upon layers. I know these weathers, you get me? So this is the reason why I always say I like winter, because when I dress like this, I can literally enjoy the cold, you know. But when I don't dress warm enough, I'm like, yo, the place is cold. But people say they cannot dress the way I dress because they're gonna feel like they're gonna suffocate. You know, a lot of people told me that, you know, I can't dress like you will dress, you will suffocate. You know, they'll probably say they'll put on a one long john or something behind it. But me, I got on the long john, the long towel, the long this, the long that. I got on everything. The only place where I will literally feel cold more is my face. You know, but everywhere else it's warm. So when I'm ready, I feel like this, like a ninja, and I'm good. So this is what it's like, guys. I'm just making a walk in the community here. Trust me. But one thing though, when it snows, you don't really feel the cold till when it's melting. You know, that's when you literally feel the cold. Look at the house. Right out. So it's me alone on the street. Nobody else. They must have say, oh, how this guy come from him alone and walk in the street. So this is where I'm staying here in Brampton. So the main road is not even far. The main one is going that direction. I got gloves on, everything on, guys. So I am good. So you see the road, when this thing get hardened, when the water, you have water and the place is so cold, you have to be careful for what they call black ice. So for those who inside watching me right now, see, I'm bringing you the snow. Ho 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 ho! Merry Christmas! It's not even Christmas, and this is not even the tip of the Canada snow as yet. So just imagine that. Canada really get much colder than this, more snow. As you can see, this snow is really high. It is so high. If I stand in this, it probably reach just before my knee. You know I'm a very tall guy anyway. So it probably reach, hey my brother, reach just above before my knees. Enjoying the weather? You enjoying the weather?
Yeah, it's first snow of the winter.
First snow?
No, it's my it's my.
I'm recording.
Okay,
I'm a YouTuber.
YouTuber, okay.
From Jamaica.
Jamaica, okay.
Yeah, Jamaica.
Okay. Yeah, I have been 4 years here.
48?
4 years.
Oh, 4 years. You like it? You're not that warm. You don't dress warm.
No, I like.
You're not cold? Oh,
A
good.
little bit cold.
Look a bit because you're not wearing too much clothes.
Yeah.
Me, I got on loads.
Okay. Thank you.
Alright man, take care. Yeah, so you see, you only got on a jeans and like a jumper. So that's not much. You know what, let me check this. Oh, I never come out with no money. I could have go and grab something in the Jug Smart. So yes guys, so the main is over there, and over there you have the mall they call Trinity Mall. So I'm close to Trinity Mall, as you can see. So a lot of my extended family called me and said, Kino, where are you? So I'm showing them I'm so close to Trinity Mall. I'm not even 5 minutes away. I am close. Trinity Mall is right there. So there is Trinity Mall across from me, right there. And the main, I think is the Bob. I don't remember that that main out there. There's a main out there, I don't remember the name of it. And there's a Shoppers Drugs Mart. So I'm close to everything. And over there you have Metro. So this is Nautical Drive. Yeah. So Great Lakes and Nautical Drive. And so if you know Great Lakes and Nautical Drive, and that's the entrance for Trinity Mall over there. And we on the main road of everything. So look on the main. Wow. So let me just make a walk here. I should have come out and it's been snowing like this for a couple hours now. You know, it's been snowing for like a couple hours. Trust me, it's been snowing for a long while. Because when I wake up, I saw the snow and everything. So I know it's been snowing for the longest while. Snow, snow, snow. Alright guys, so let me head back, because if I did get some cash at me, I would have gone and get something inside here. But I never came out with nothing, because I was just coming for the walk. This is it. Wow. Welcome, shoppers. Oh, not bad. Oh, I need a Listerine. I need a Listerine and I need my Sensodyne. Guys, so this is what I use. I use Sensodyne toothpaste. I don't know how much of you guys use Sensodyne toothpaste, but that's a toothpaste I like to use. So I use Sensodyne. But I don't see the original. We got whitening. Original is the one with the red. You know, I don't see it. Got fresh mint, multi-action, ultra fresh, deep clean. In Jamaica, I could get original, but I don't see any here said original. Don't know why. Maybe different country, maybe different. So who knows? Who knows? Who knows? So we're here. We're facing the winter.
We're nothing, but it's like.
Yeah. So it's really warm. See, I'm feeling so warm because I'm inside here. Just so warm. As soon as I step inside, I am so warm. I don't know why I come in here and I'm not buying anything. And I'm not running from the cold neither. I just want to look and see what they got inside, so I can walk back here, literally. So I can harvest. I can walk. So I guess I have to come back. I have to come back. No more. Alright? Sugar free. What's that?
So this is electrolyte mix. Would you like to try some?
Oh, electrolyte mix. Oh, I'm good. Thank you. Electrolyte mix. So let me make my way outside here. Exit. So actually I'm a window shopper. Look at all the birds running. Alright, the tricky part is now I'm heading towards the tricky part now, I'm heading towards the snow, because the snow is blowing towards me. So that's when I have to put this up. Whoa, because it's blowing in my face. Woo! It's blowing in my face. So I need my snow glasses. It's really blowing. It's just really blowing. The last time I was in America, the same thing. Snows. I'm in Canada. Same thing. Snows. So, for sure, I need to do summer in both Canada and America this summer. I definitely need to have that experience. So, wow guys, this is really blowing in my face. And it's blowing towards me enough. White Christmas. Okay. I remember my first ever snow experience when I was in the UK. And me and my mum and my sister would make some big snowball, you know, with the snowman. I remember that first ever snow experience, and I was in the UK. But this one is blowing so much in my face. Like a snowstorm. Yes, I'm gonna head back home now. Trust me. Because the direction that I'm walking, the snow is blowing towards me. Straight in my eye. Straight. I can't even see. Can't see anything. In my eyes. Look. White. White. Damn good. Face the. So I'm looking white out now. They can't see. Look, everything's getting white because everything is blowing literally on me. White out. And it's been snowing constantly. It's not stopping. It's literally been snowing constantly. Welcome to Canada weather. Welcome, welcome, welcome. You know, the Jamaican man say, boy, Akeynote, you're crazy, you know. I walk up and down in the snow there. You know, this boy Akeynote is something else. I love it. I'm the winter man, you know. I wonder if in my past life I was living in North Pole. I wonder if I was living in North Pole in my past life. Or underwater. Or somewhere in the stars. Because I like the stargaze. You know, I like the cold. And I like the water. So I wonder if I was Aquaman. You know, I wonder if I was Aquaman, or I wonder if I was living, you know, with the stars somewhere up there, stargazing, or North Pole. Look at this, look. It's all blowing white. Everything's blowing white. White, white, white. It's white, white, white. Everything is blowing white. It's all blowing white, guys. Let me see what the park is like right now. Let's see what the park is like. You guys probably at home probably watching and feeling cool, seeing me walking in the cold and say, boy, Akeynote, you're good enough. So this is the park my auntie was walking through. The park white out. White all the water. Oh. The park is white out. You have to be careful how you can slip as well too. But the park is white out, guys. I know there's time when there's the lake there. Or even the lake is going to be frozen. So imagine we walking here the other day. When you walk in here the other day and look on it now. It's all white. White Christmas. Ho 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 ho. Merry Christmas. So it's all white. Alright. So I'm just walking this way to head home anyway, so enough of this snow are blowing on my eye right now. Enough of you. So everything goes, guys. Nothing but love and love alone. So blessed love, guys. So I'm gonna head back in and, you know, get warmed down, relax, have a cup of tea, you know, cause that's what people drink mostly when it comes on to winter. Tea. You know, people drink tea more than what they eat food when it comes on to winter. More tea than food. Am I lying? You know I'm not lying. You know I'm not lying. Yes, so blessed love, guys. Hope you're having a wonderful day in where you are. Thank you so much for watching Keen Life in Jamaica. Blessed love, dream team, one team. Peace. We out. Watch out now. You see Life in Jamaica. You hear that Kiri Acoustics fully endorsed that YouTube channel there. You hear that? Watch out now, no.
Keep trying, keep moving. Someday we will make it there. It's gonna be a better day. Gonna be a better end.